Hey guys, my name is Jay Inman. Today I'm going to be demoing the Alchemy audio build of the build your own clone Lazy Sprocket. Now the Lazy Sprocket is an exact clone of the old Boss SG1 slow gear, which is an extremely rare and expensive Boss pedal. Basically the pedal is an envelope volume swell effect. So if you're somebody that normally rides a volume pedal or the volume knob on your guitar, this effect could be absolutely fantastic for you. It produces a lot of really cool tones, which I'm really excited to demo for you here in a second. And it's just such a unique pedal. It makes a great addition to any board. Would highly recommend it.